I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 English Language Objective Past Question 27 under Section 3. The instruction is, after each of the following sentences is a list of possible interpretations, choose the option that is most appropriate for each sentence. So the sentence here is, my aunt's rough driving could make one tear one's hair out. This means that her driving could make one A. lose the hair on her head, B. feel very sad, C. get very worried, D. feel like crying. So the expression we are looking at here is make one tear one's hair out. Make one tear one's hair out. Now, make one tear one's hair out means to be worried or afraid. So to be worried or completely afraid is what the expression make one tear one's hair out means. Okay, it's an expression used to express the state of fear associated or the state of worry associated with whatsoever activity it's used to refer to. So from the options given to us, we see that option C is get very worried, and with that it is closest to what we describe the meaning of the expression as. So the correct answer is C, get very worried. So this means that her driving could make one get very worried. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.